welcome back to my YouTube channel, new tricks every day. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss more content like this. And if you have already subscribed, I want to say thank you. Go ahead, comment, share the video. And in this video I'll be showing you the right way to set up DROID VPN to avoid disconnections. Most of you are setting up DROID VPN and just in 5 seconds it has disconnected itself. In just 5 minutes it is off. I want to show you how to connect it so that it connects and without disconnecting. So the first thing you have to do before you open your DROID VPN, I want you to go to settings. Before you open it, most of you miss this step, but before you open DROID VPN, you will go to your settings, phone settings, and then after reaching to settings, you go to apps. After settings, you go to apps. So after you look for DROID VPN. So after going to apps, I'll go to DROID VPN. So from DROID VPN, I'll select it, and thereafter, after selecting it, after it has opened, I'll go ahead. So this is the trick. Before you start connecting or configuring in the settings, please first stop it. So I'll go ahead and first stop. They will bring a notification for me to confirm, and I'll go ahead and confirm. Okay, so after first stopping it, then I'll go back and so I'll go ahead and open my DROID VPN. If you don't have DROID VPN already, you can get it from Google Play Store, and you can look for more videos from me. I've uploaded videos on how to set up DROID VPN. So I'll go ahead and open my DROID VPN. After it has opened, I'll then configure in the right settings, and I have a couple of settings. You can inbox me. So these are the settings. So I'll go to settings. Hope you already have an account. So after going to settings, I'll then configure in these settings. I'll go to UDP. I'll go from UDP settings. So I'll go to remote UDP, and in the remote, please follow my settings. These are the settings that will allow you connect without getting disconnections. I'll put in quadri 0, that is 0000 4 times. Then from there I'll go to local UDP and then put in 0003, as you can see. Then from there I'll enable port testing, leave auto port scan off. Then from there I'll choose mode, UDP connection mode. I'll choose mode 1. I'll choose mode 1. Okay, then T count I'll put in 7,000. Then R count I'll put in 00003. There are 4 zeros and 1 3, as you can see. So from there I'll go back and then go to settings for the VPN connection. Okay, settings for the VPN connection. I'll leave the first 4. I'll make sure the first 4 options are turned on, and then go to tunnel MTU size. Tunnel MTU size, select 1024, as you can see, 1024, and then from there I'll come back. I'll leave everything as it is. I'll come back and then start my VPN. I'll start my VPN. As you can see, we are now connected successfully. If you configure DROID VPN this way, just know that it will not disconnect until you disconnect it. So I can go on YouTube right now to test that it's working. I can go on YouTube, I can go on Twitter, I can go on Facebook, I can go on Instagram. So I can go on Facebook to see whether it's working. So you can see that I can access YouTube. So this is how you can connect, you can set up Droid VPN to get unlimited internet. I'm now as you can see. So thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, make sure that you share the video and comment so that I may see what you think about these videos. Thank you for watching. I love you all.